Hey guys, it's T. Welcome back to Aspire to Be YouTube channel. And today we'll be making Elle's birthday cake. It's a 3-layer cake, marble cake, plain cake, and cheesecake. So let's get baking.
Hi guys, this is Elle. So this is the cream cheese we'll be using and the cake mix, vanilla cake mix, the brand that we'll be using today. So let's get started. We got oil, we got some eggs, we got some water, we have some vanilla and some rose water. Just follow the instructions on the back of the product, the cake mix product, and you'll be fine. Remember to preheat your oven and also to butter and flour your baking pan before you add the mixture in there. So this is me mixing the cake mix for 2 minutes at low speed, and then you're gonna add the rest of the water and mix it for another 2 minutes at medium to high speed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time we upload our videos. So yes, this is us mixing it. Remember that we will also be doing a cream cheese cheesecake in this video. So this is the even consistency for the cake mix, and then we're going to be putting it in the baking pan. This is what it looks like, so smooth and creamy. We're gonna put that in the oven for the required baking time. This is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. Pop that in the oven and let's bake. Now this is the third layer or third tier that we'll be making. It's the same process using the cake mix, but we put our twist to it and put some purple gel food coloring. And remember, you can put your spices in there to add your own twist to your cake mix. So here it is. Now we're going on to the cheesecake. This is the cream cheese that we'll be using. You put it at room temperature, you soften it. We're making it from scratch, so remember to add your eggs, your spices, and your sugar. Use about ½ pound to 1 pound of brown sugar. We add our spices, and you add the eggs gradually. You add your eggs, add your eggs. We use about 5 eggs for this. And you want to do it like this. We add also lime juice, and we add flour to make it come together, bind it so it has a good consistency like that. And now this is the crust. We made it from scratch as well. Flour, sugar, we use baking powder. You can use eggs if you want to. Yes, so we evenly distribute the crust in the bottom of the baking pan, as you can see, like this. Then we're gonna take the cheesecake mixture, pour it into the baking pan. Remember, we set it to bake for around 55 minutes to an hour at a certain temperature. And this is what it looked. You give it a shake so it has an even top, and then we'll pop that into the oven. This is how it looks when you split off the top. Now this is the cake mix when it's finished. It's so gorgeous. And this is the finished product for the cheesecake. So beautiful and smooth. Please remember to like, share, and comment, guys. Yes guys, so this is the finished product, my birthday cake with vanilla frosting and rainbow sprinkles on top. As you can see, the top tier has a marble effect. That's with the purple coloring that we were mixing in the first part of the video. The middle is vanilla cake mix and the base is cheesecake. So yummy. Remember to like, subscribe, share, press that notification button, and leave a comment in the comment section.
And we're out. Until next time.